Hey guys, today we're watching Sanjay and Craig. Yeah. And this video is Chewawas. Sorry about my tablet falling. Sorry about it falling again.
Hello, doggy. Nice doggy. Whoa, good dog.
Dude, they're Chewawas. Just speak to them in Espanol.
Good idea. No molesto, por favor.
I'll show her my roller skates tomorrow.
It's your juicy rump they want, dude.
Not funny.
You got roller skates?
Yeah, I told you both of them.
When? When did you tell me?
Come on, they're not so
I told you that I got roller skates when I got here.
horrible and I hate them.
You did not tell me you got roller skates. When? When did you tell me?
Whoa, fantasy dorks. Where was I during that peek into the future? Huh?
Sorry, Craig. We had to eat your
Don't you want the volume up?
Alright.
Well, it makes sense, really. We're not cannibals, and 98% of all snakes in our area are edible.
What?
Ergo is a funny word. We're gonna eat you, Craig.
You're kidding. He's kidding, right? Right, Sanjay?
Of course, dude. Hector's just... How are we gonna get out of here? Well...
The phone could help you.
We can call for help. Dude, can you make it if I hurl you?
Hurl me, sir.
Wouldn't we have to eat him first? I don't want to go out on an empty stomach.
Come on, dude. I know this'll work. Just trust me.
Ugh, things I do for you humans.
Yeah. We get it. You're a snake. All right. Now I just need a quarter.
You guys are crazy, right?
Lower Depot, go for Vijay. Darlene, honey. Oh, I get her. Hey!
That's enough water to wet the bed. Whoop, I'm sorry. I'm on video.
It's okay.
It's gotten so late. I think we missed our dinner, guys.
Hungry. Because hungry. We need to get down.
Okay, the video is almost over now.
My stomach is as empty as this dumpster.
Wait, but is it?
¿Qué pedo?
I mean, the dumpster. Maybe it isn't empty. Maybe there's something inside. You still bingo! One man's trash. It's another Megan Sparkle's brilliant idea.
What is that?
A paddle!
It's not very good, but it'll have to do. Yeah.
Bye guys, I'll see you